Hello everyone. Today we are going to present IPR and Cyberlaw ISC2. So the presenters are Samrat Mari, Pankaj Patil, Shivam Zandade and Akshata Saudigar under the guidance of Professor M.N. Mullah sir. So let us first understand what is John the Ripper. John the Ripper is an open source password cracking tool that organization can use to test the strength of their password. It was originally released in 1996 for Unix, but it now works on 15 operating systems like including Linux, Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. It can use both brute force and dictionary attack to identify passwords. John the Ripper is often used in the enterprise to detect weak passwords that could put network security at risk as well as other administrative purposes. The software can run a wide variety of password cracking techniques against the various user accounts on each operating system and can be scripted to run locally or remotely.
So in this video, by using John the Ripper, we will simply extract the password from RAL file. So first we will check if our file is protected with the password or not. As you can see, our file is protected. So first we will open the terminal in Kali Linux. So simply we will go to the desktop and now we will check by using ls command that our file is present in desktop or not. As you can see, the Samrat RAR file is present in our desktop. So simply now by using John the Ripper, we will simply extract the hash form of our password into text file. So we will execute this command to extract the password from our RAR file and store it into the text file of hash.txt. So our command is successfully executed. So we will check if our txt file is created or not. As you can see, our txt file is created and it contains the hash form of our password. So this is our hash form of our password. So we have to solve it using the John the Ripper tool. So now again we will open the terminal. Now we will execute this command to simply solve the hash form. And write the file name of that file which contains the hash form of our password. So it will start it works.
So here after running the John hash.txt command, we have got the password 12345 for our file name samrat.rar. Now this is our password 12345 which we have extracted from above hash code. Now we will check the now in forward we will check the password for our file samrat.rar. Then next we will open our file samrat. So we open our file and we can enter our password 12345 and in the field box, and then we will click on the OK button. And as you can see, our file is open now and our password which we have extracted from our hash coding is correct.
Let's take a look on preventive measures to avoid the attack. First is pick an uncommon password that is difficult to guess. Brute force and dictionary hacking attempts are when hackers try to guess passwords based on the lists of most common password choices and common dictionary words. Prevent this by making passwords that are hard to guess. Use random letter, word, symbol, and number combinations so your passwords are not at risk of a brute force attack. Second one is avoid inserting any unknown storage devices into your computer. Thumb devices or hard drives could also transfer password stealing and keylogging malware to your computer. Only plug your own devices to your computer or devices from someone you trust. If you find one that looks abandoned, don't take it and use it. It could be a malware device. Let's move towards the overall summary. First of all, set up the Kali Linux operating system in your device in VirtualBox format. This operating system is widely used by both black hat hackers and security administrators. The Reaper attack uses a combination of brute force attacks and dictionary attacks to crack the passwords. First, however, penetration testers can use the single crack mode to determine a password based on other factors in the credential file like username or the user's full name. The attack can be prevented by many ways, like setting strong combinations of characters, also avoiding the insertion of various malware containing storage devices, etc. Thank you.